Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant. I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain to you previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 RC question. I'll be explaining the logic for this question. Before we go through the video solution, I would request you to watch the passage analysis video. That's going to help you greatly understand the nuances of this passage. Now, what does this specific question probe here? It asks, what is the main idea that the author is trying to highlight in the passage? So we've got to identify the main idea, the gist, the main point, the central theme of the passage. Now, before we do that, I'll explain the key point of the passage, the key points of the passage, and what is it talking about. Basically, the passage is against metric evaluation, right? It's against metric fixation. It says that we are fixated on metrics far too much and we should not be doing so. And he gives three reasons why this is wrong. He talks about goal displacement, he talks about gaming the system, he talks about how this is metric fixation can lead to focusing on short-term goals rather than long-term goals. So this is what this particular passage is about. It is a negative rebuttal of metric fixation. It is finding flaws with respect to metric fixation. So our answer should involve this sentiment, and that is something which is we've got to keep in mind. Option number A, all kinds of organizations are now relying on metrics to measure performance and to give rewards and punishment. The only problem with this answer option is it just does not highlight the negative sentiment of the passage. The passage is a negative one. This option states that organizations are relying on metrics. So what? How is this a problem? That needs to be highlighted. That is not done by option A. Long-term organizations' goals should not be ignored for short-term measures of organizational success. The problem with this is this misses out on metric evaluation, it misses out on metrics for evaluation, it misses out on the fact that we are depending on statistics, metrics, so on and so forth, right? That's the most important thing. You cannot leave out the subject of the passage itself. The subject of the passage here is our metrics, and this option leaves that out. It talks about organizational goals instead. Option number C, performance measurement needs to be precise and cost effective to be useful for evaluating organizational performance. Again, the problem with this is about performance measurement and not metrics and metric fixation. We need to talk about metric fixation and metrics. This option does not do so, hence ruled out. So we've cut out options A, B, C. These are out of the picture. Option number D is our correct answer here. Why is it so? It states evaluating performance by using measurable performance metrics. So our main topic is present, may misguide organizational goal achievement. So this might not be the right way to go about it. It might be the problematic way. And this option in a very diplomatic, subtle, nuanced manner highlights the fact that metric fixation is something that can possibly harm the organization. And that is the point that the author wishes to communicate through this passage. Hopefully so you are clear with the reasoning for this question and you've understood the logic behind it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.